Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Here is Vivo Y16 smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can display battery percentage in the status bar of your phone here in Vivo Y16. See here, now there is no battery percentage is showing here. Okay, only battery icon is showing. If you want to show the battery percentage there, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is just go to the settings of your phone first, and then go to display and brightness, then go to status bar, and just turn on this button battery percentage, and battery percentage will be showing. See here, battery percentage is showing 68% is showing. So in this way you can easily display battery percentage in the status bar of a phone Vivo Y16. If you don't want battery percentage, then turn off this button and it will not be displayed. In this way you can easily control battery percentage display in your phone Vivo Y16. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.